Sri Lanka, the island of 1,000 temples and landscapes. Imagine a land where the sunrise gently kisses ancient temples, the chime of bells blends with tropical birdsong, and the wilderness whispers stories of the past. That land is Sri Lanka, a lush island south of India that, despite its size, holds a near mystical diversity. Here, you'll find ancient ruins, untouched beaches, rolling tea plantations, and wild jungles teeming with elephants and leopards. All in one breathtaking destination. Before we dive into this incredible journey, don't forget to subscribe to Discovering the World. Explore the planet from your screen with cinematic routes, fascinating facts, and unforgettable scenery. Like the video, activate the bell, and travel with us. Living history in stone, Sri Lanka has over 2,500 years of recorded history. Ancient cities like Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa preserve giant Buddha statues, monumental stupas, and sophisticated irrigation systems that still leave engineers amazed. Wandering through these archaeological sites is like flipping through a stone-bound history book where every ruin tells a story of humanity. Anuradhapura was the island's first capital and remains one of Buddhism's most sacred places. There you'll find the revered Jaya Shri Maha Bodhi, believed to be a direct descendant of the tree under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. Pilgrims travel from around the world to meditate or simply gaze at its gently rustling leaves. In Polonnaruwa, silence echoes with tales of kings, warriors, devotion, and ancient battles. The Galle Fort features 4 colossal Buddha figures carved into a single rock face. The reclining Buddha, eyes half open, exudes a peace so powerful it seems timeless. Sri Lanka once lay on the routes of the silk and spice trades. Portuguese, Dutch, and British influences still shape the country. From coastal forts to urban centers like Galle and Colombo. Yet despite these outside touches, Sri Lanka has preserved a unique identity, deeply rooted in Buddhism, reflected in its architecture, culture, and daily life. Nature worthy of Cinema Sri Lanka feels like a living National Geographic documentary. The island boasts 26 national parks and one of the highest densities of leopards in the world, alongside Asian elephants, monkeys, crocodiles, marine turtles, and a wealth of endemic species. From foggy mountains to mangroves, its ecosystems are remarkably varied. Yala National Park offers one of the best chances to spot a wild leopard in daylight. In Udawalawe, Yimin Ikinasanmar, open plains make it easier to observe free-roaming elephants used to human presence. The island is also a sanctuary for sea turtles. At places like Hikkaduwa and Rakawa, conservation efforts protect nesting sites and help hatchlings reach the sea, a heartwarming sight for all ages. Enjoying the journey? Then make sure to subscribe to Discovering the World, leave your like, and comment your thoughts. Sri Lanka's population is mostly Sinhalese and Buddhist, but it also includes Tamil Hindus, Muslims, and Christians. This cultural blend results in a vibrant mix of festivals, religions, and languages living in harmony. The Temple of the Sacred Tooth in Kandy is one of the world's most venerated Buddhist sites, believed to house a relic of the Buddha himself. In Dambulla, massive caves are filled with over 150 Buddha statues and murals, some dating back more than 2,000 years. During Kandy's Asala Perahera, elephants draped in embroidered fabrics and adorned with lights parade through the streets to the sound of traditional drums and dances. It's one of the most spectacular religious celebrations on Earth. Flavors that ignite the senses. Sri Lankan cuisine is a sensory feast, based on rice, coconut, seafood, and a rich palette of spices. Dishes like rice and curry, kotu roti, and hoppers, a fermented rice pancake, charm every traveler. Expect bold flavors and generous helpings of chili. The country is also one of the world's leading tea producers. In Nuwara, Elia and Ella, Scenic tea estates offer tours that take you from leaf picking to sipping a fresh brewed cup, one of the world's most beautiful train rides. The train journey from Kandy to Ella is considered one of the world's most picturesque. Colorful carriages cut through green hills, tea plantations, and charming villages, crossing engineering marvels like the Nine-Arch Bridge. With open windows and doors, the breeze and views create an unforgettable experience. Beyond temples and jungles, Sri Lanka is also a beach lover's dream. From whale watching in Mirissa, best between November and April, to surfing and snorkeling in Unawatuna, Weligama, Arugambay, Tangale, and Pasikuda, the coastline offers relaxation and adventure alike. Galle Fort, built by the Portuguese and fortified by the Dutch, offers a walk through colonial history. Its lighthouses, preserved alleys, and seaside views are ideal for stunning sunsets. In the northeast, Trincomalee's clear waters invite contemplation and coral reef dives. At Pinawala Elephant Orphanage, rescued elephants are fed and bathed in the Maha Oya River, a moving experience, especially for families. Sinharaja Forest Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a pristine rainforest, perfect for hikers seeking immersion in untouched biodiversity. Must see. Highlights of Sri Lanka. Adam's Peak, Sri Pada, a sacred 2,200-meter mountain where pilgrims climb before sunrise to witness the sacred footprint, interpreted as Buddhas, Shivas, or Adams. Dambulla Cave Temple, Sri Lanka's largest cave temple complex, housing over 150 statues and frescoes. Anuradhapura, the ancient capital, home to the Jaya Sri Mai Sri Maha Bodhi. Polonnaruwa, medieval ruins with Gal Vihara Buddhas and majestic palaces. Colombo, the bustling capital with markets, the Lotus Tower, and the Sri Kailawasanathan Hindu temple. Nuwara Eliya, known as Little England, this cool climate town features gardens, lakes, and vast tea plantations. Kandy, beyond the sacred Tooth Temple, the city shines during the Isala Perahera and in scenic lakefront views. Ella, surrounded by trails, hills, and the famed Nine Arch Bridge, part of that iconic train ride. Yala National Park, a stunning safari destination teeming with leopards, elephants, birds, and crocodiles. A living, breathing experience. With its mix of natural beauty, spirituality, and cultural depth. Sri Lanka is a destination like no other, best lived with all the senses. Its crystal clear waters, soft sands, and tropical vibes make it a cinematic paradise. And the best part, far less crowded than other Asian destinations. Sri Lanka isn't just a country, it's an awakening. A place where every detail seems designed to spark awe, reflection, and a connection to something greater. If this journey stirred your adventurous soul, don't forget to subscribe to Discovering the World. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit the bell icon. There's so much more of the world waiting. And we'll take you there, one epic journey at a time. See you in the next video.